Hey guys, what's up? You have Unsafe Play back with another global city video. Today's video, a decent way to make city coins. Sleepers. Very easy product to make. Takes about 10 minutes ish over here in your carpentry factory to produce. 3 hammers and 3 logs. You hop over here to the global exchange after you've made a few. I like to bank about 12 and then do 6 sets of 2 in the global. The sleepers make decent money each and sell pretty quickly. Run over here and we'll take 4 more and jump over here to the global, create spot, select max, click 2, repeat until you finish all of your spots. We'll max that one times 2, create spot times 2, and for the last spot, max times 2. Grab yourself 3 hammers, go over and grab yourself 3 logs. Remember to replenish after you remove. And go right back over and make a sleeper. Continue till you fill up all of your factory spots. Your conveyor belts and the global box to expand your conveyor belts on the screen for you. It is a 10 spot max. I am working with 6, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, and of course 6 sleepers. If by chance you would like to max a factory, you will need 220 global bucks to max a factory or to max a machine. Both are 10 spot max. Step over to the global. 2 have gone already. To max all of your machines, and to max all of your factories, it will be 5,500 global bucks. We'll collect this money, create max times 2, and continue. I started with 90,000. I'm now up to 140,000. I hope the money making tip and the conveyor belt tip both helped. 3 more gone. Until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, I am out of here.